Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Tesla daily, weekly, and 5-minute time frame. So the bears are in absolute control of Tesla, and we saw a lot play out over this past week since I made the last video last weekend. And the first thing that stands out is the very clear bearish entry point, all of the resistance in the 215 to 216 area, the 50, 100, and 200 day lining up above the upper Bollinger Band, and then the weekly time frame, the middle Bollinger Band, the 10-week was back there, and the 50-week, all lining up at the same level. Extremely strong wall of resistance. And we formed a bearish candlestick there, tightening range inside candlestick when the range of this candlestick trades completely within the range of the previous candlestick. And then on Wednesday, we broke that inside candlestick at the end of the day by breaking the low, which was a bearish signal. We closed weak, and then that little flush at the end of the day shows up here with the, what is it called? The downgrade. So we saw that action in the last half an hour of trading, a dump that didn't line up with anything going on in the market, and then it turns out inside information very clearly shown on that chart and led to that downgrade. And then today, as soon as we broke that low, 221, and as soon as we broke 199.55, now we're looking down at 193. And the bears were in control all day. We're on the verge of a bearish MACD cross, big bear volume, and the weekly rejecting from those levels, bearish engulfing candlestick, and we're looking at 193.45 and then 187.87 as very key support. And if that breaks, we'll lose the 200 week, and we'll be looking down at the 140s. So that's a very important level of support for the bulls to hold for the long-term trend. The 5-minute time frame, very clear that the bears were in control from the get-go. Big dump, small bounce on decreasing bull volume, continuation to the downside, lower highs, lower lows. Look at that ramp up on bear volume. We did see a little spike there for the bulls. It didn't amount to anything. We only gained that 20-period moving average support for a bit. No upside. Lost it again. Increasing bear volume again. All-out dump. And just watching the bid and the ask and the price action today, I was trading it a couple times. I traded some 197.50 weekly puts. But just watching that action, it was very clear that the bears had complete control of the stock, even on this bullish spike here. Certainly momentum heading to the downside. So we'll see what comes above that 187.87 support, turn that into resistance, and we're going to see significant further downside on Tesla. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for all the likes and the shares. See you soon.